The Unfortunate Pig Part 3 by Awesome Fireboy 2002.
Look at that pig.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. We gotta kill it.
Uh-huh.
Yep. Okay. Now, first me.
Ow! Why did you wake me from my nap? It's okay if you woke me from my nap, because you're a bird and I'm a pig. You're stronger. I don't care. Ow! Little bro, what? Ow, in the eye. That hurt. Just wait. Oh, no. Oh, I gotta go into the Flatlands. That won't save you. Oh. Uh-oh. All the powers together. Mix. Mix. Oh. Oh, yeah. Well, this laugh won't kill you. Oh, I'm really unfortunate.